Hello YouTube, wanted to show you the new AR that we just bought. Really nice. Price of ARs has gone up quite dramatically recently. First off, show you a few attachments that we put on it. We got a nice mil-spec recoil reducing stock on it. Works pretty nice. A nice aftermarket grip. Stock trigger, haven't changed that yet. Put a nice foregrip on it. Got a EOTech Halo sight and threaded barrel. We have a suppressor for it. It's a really nice gun. That's about all I want to go into right now. We did put a break in between the upper and the lower, so it has a much snugger fit. First got it, you could wiggle it up and down, but it's a lot more snug now. That's about it. Might make another video going into a little more depth on it, but thanks for watching.